Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Student, as you know, yesterday we started our block 14 and first lesson plan was already done, and today we are going to start our next lesson plan. Right, students? So, student, I want to ask some questions to you. Yes, how did the early humans find their food? कैसे find out करते थे? Right, they were called the hunters and gatherers, right, students? As they hunt the animals and they gather the fruits, nuts and berries for their food, and slowly what did they do? They started the cultivation, right? How did they start the cultivation? They would have seen how the plants grow from the seeds, and slowly they learned how to grow the crops. So student, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is rice cultivation. Today we are going to read about the rice cultivation, and keywords for today's class: cultivation, seeds, grains, harvest, farmers. And resources for today's class: content book, notebook and workbook. And what would be our agenda? First I will ask some question, the questioning part. After then we will proceed to the activity, then discussion part will be there. After that you will apply your knowledge, you will do your worksheet, and then I will give you some homework to you. So what is our today's aim, students? To describe the stages of rice cultivation. Means rice cultivation, how to grow the rice. Today we are going to find out the stages. Today we are going to find out the steps how the rice is grown in the fields. There are many steps which we will find out. The students, now proceed to the activity part. I want to show you something. Yes student, look at these pictures. Yes, look at these pictures and observe these pictures carefully, and then try to find out the name of these dishes. Okay, can you guess the name of these dishes? Right. What are the name? Roti, rice, rajma, dal, pulses. Right. So these are the name of these dishes. Yes, students. Have you ever thought about from where these food come from? From where this food come from? And who grow them? And how do they grow them? Right. This food is grown by the farmers in their fields. Fields में इसको बोया जाता है, right students? So students, today we are going to find out the stages, the steps of the rice cultivation. How the rice crop is grown in the fields by the farmers. This will give us an idea to other crops are grown. Means rice cultivation के through we can find out the idea about other crops too. Yes student, now look at the pictures that are given in your S2. Open your workbook, page number 31. Rice cultivation. Even here some pictures are given. What will you do? You will identify the steps of rice cultivation by numbering the pictures correctly. You will write the proper order number here. Means which step should be done at first, then next, after then. So what should be the first? According to me, the first step should be the farmer plus the field. This should be the first order. Second, worker sowing seeds. After then the rice crop growing. Seeds के बाद जो है rice crop जो है वो grown होना start हो जाती है. Next, the crop being harvested when grains turn brown. जो क्रॉप है उसको हार्वेस्ट किया जाता है, मीन्स उसको कट डाउन किया जाता है उसके बाद. देन द राइस बीइंग सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द हस्क. राइस को उसके हस्क से, जो हस्क होता है, जो भूसा होता है उसका, उससे उसको सेपरेट किया जाता है. एंड द लास्ट स्टेप, द हार्वेस्टेड ग्रेन बीइंग पैक्ड इन सैक्स. जो हार्वेस्टेड ग्रेन है दैट वुड बी पैक्ड इन द सैक्स. बोरियों में उनको पैक कर दिया जाता है. सो दिस हाउ दिस शुड बी डन. यू कैन सी द स्टेप in this picture. In this worksheet you can see what would be the order of the rice cultivation. Now move to the analysis part. Now I want to ask some questions to you. First question is, why have you arranged the pictures in this order? Why have you arranged the pictures in this order, students? Yes, because in rice cultivation some steps are followed. So according to these steps we have arranged the pictures, right? If अगर हमने प्लफिंग जो है, हमने प्लफिंग वाला जो स्टेप था उसको हम लास्ट में डाल देते हैं, एंड विदाउट प्लफिंग इफ वी आर ग्रोइंग, if we are going to sow the seeds, it would not be possible. हमारी जो crop होगी that would not be good, वो अच्छी नहीं होगी. Right students, so ploughing से पहले जो है वो soil को ready किया जाता है and after then the farmers would go to sow their seeds. Next question is, what do you think happened first? What do you think happened first? Which was our first step? Right, the ploughing of the field. Right, the farmers are ploughing the field with the tractors and with oxen also. And next, and why? What was the next step? Next step was to sow the seeds into the soil, and after then rice crop would be grown. Later on, the rice crop would be harvested. After then, the rice crop would be separated from the husk, and at the finally the rice crop would be packed into the sacks. So these are the steps that would be followed for the rice cultivation. What do you think happens in the third step? Yes, think about the steps, students, as I have told you all the steps already. What was the first step? Ploughing the field. Second step, to sow the seeds into the soil. And what was the third step? Rice crop grown. उसके बाद जो rice crop है वो grow हो जाती है. This was the third step. Yes, students. Student, next question is, what are the correct steps in which a farmer grow rice? Yes, parents, please pause the video now. Students can arrange the pictures and they can tell the correct steps. How the rice cultivation is done. किस तरह से rice cultivation किया जाता है? Which are the correct steps? As I have discussed in the previous question also, right? Yes, which are the correct steps, students? Yes, you can see on the screen now. These are the correct steps. First is the farmer ploughs the field. Next, then he or his workers sow the seeds. Then the crops are allowed to grow. The crop is harvested when the grains turn brown. After that, the grains are separated from the husk. Later on, they are collected in container or sacks and taken to the mill. Now they are ready to eat. Yes, student, my next question is, what are the dishes do you eat that are made of rice? What are the dishes which are made of rice? There are many dishes, right? The namkeen pulao, paisam, idli, dosa, and etc. means many are there which are made from the rice. Now students, it is time for the higher order thinking question, the horse question. So parents, please pause the video after this question so the students can give their own answer. Student, now question is on your screen. What happens after the rice is collected in sacks? How does it reach us? और ये किस तरह हम तक पहुँचता है? Yes, think about the answer, students. From the mill, the rice grain are taken in sacks to the market. We buy it from the shops, selling it in the market. Means when it is packed in the sacks or the container, it is taken to the mill. Mill में ले जाया जाता है. After then, the grains are taken to the market and we can buy the grains, this rice from the shops, and then we can make our dishes. Students, now move to the reading section, page number 32, rice cultivation. We grow different kinds of crops. Rice is one of them. Rice grows in places where there is a lot of rainfall. There are different stages in rice cultivation. Means we grow different kinds of crops. हम कई types की crops जो है वो grow करते हैं. And rice is one of them. Rice grows in places where there is a lot of rainfall. जहाँ पर बहुत बारिश होती है. Only those places we can grow the crops of the rice. And there are different stages in rice cultivation. Now move to the next page, page number 33. Here you can see the pictures and the stages how the rice crop is grown. First of all, you can see in this first picture, the farmer ploughs the field. Second picture, the farmer sows the seeds. Third picture, the rice crop grows. And in the next step, the crop is harvested when the grain turns brown. Then the grain is separated from the husk. And after then, the harvested grain is packed in sacks. Means first of all they have to prepare the field. सबसे पहले उनको अपना field prepare करना पड़ता है. Soil को prepare करना होता है. उसको plough करना पड़ता है. so that the air circulation could be there. उसको सॉफ्ट बना देते हैं सॉइल को. आफ्टर देन द फार्मर सोज द सीड्स, उसके बाद सीड्स को बोया जाता है. देन द राइस क्रॉप ग्रोन, सीड्स बोने के बाद फिर राइस की क्रॉप जो है वो बड़ी हो जाती है. आफ्टर देन द राइस क्रॉप इज हार्वेस्टेड व्हेन द ग्रीन टर्न्स ब्राउन, जब ग्रेन जो है वो ब्राउन हो जाते हैं, ब्राउन कलर के हो जाते हैं, देन दीज आर रेडी टू बी हार्वेस्टेड. देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, द ग्रेन इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द हस्क, फिर इसको हस्क से अलग किया जाता है, भूसे से इसको अलग किया जाता है. एंड द लास्ट स्टेप, द हार्वेस्टेड ग्रेन इज पैक्ड इन sacks. Student, now it is time for application time. You will do S2, that is given on page number 31 in workbook, and question 1 you have done already. Now you will do question number 2 only, and it must be completed within 5 minutes. Now open page number 31 of your workbook, student. Question number 1, if you have done, it is well and good. If you have not done, you will do it now, as after this question it is now clear to you which step should be followed first, and after that next, and finally. Question number 2, what happens after rice is collected in sacks? How does it reach us? As I told you in discussion part also, what happens after rice is collected in sacks? सैक्स में जब उसको कलेक्ट किया जाता है, जब कंटेनर्स में उसको डाल दिया जाता है राइस में, आफ्टर देन वेयर इट वुड बी टेकन अवे, it would be taken away to the mills, right, as I told you, and after then the grains are taken to the markets, and from markets we can buy it, and then we can make the dishes. Student, now it is time for homework. What is your today's homework? You will do practice question number 6, that is given on page number 36 in your content book. At last, now summarize our today's topic, students. Today we have learnt about the rice cultivation. What is our today's topic? Rice cultivation. And what was our today's aim? To describe the stages of rice cultivation. What are the steps that would be followed for the cultivation of rice? Which are the steps, students? First we plough the fields, after then we sow the seeds, and third steps, then let the crops grow away, and after that it is harvested. Then the husk is separated from the rice, and then it is packed into the sacks or the containers, and at last and finally it is taken to the mills. Right, students, so these are the steps for the rice cultivation. I hope this is clear to all, and we have achieved our today's aim successfully. Now be ready for next class also, and resources for next class, content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you.